Namaste friends, I am Dayanand Joshi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Bodhiastam. Today I am going to share you how to reduce your blood sugar level. For that what you have to do is the foods which increase blood sugar, you have to cut down that, and you have to do exercise, and your body is made of 5 elements. You have to be in contact with these 5 elements. So first what you have to do is this is fire, air, sky, earth and water. You have to balance these 5 elements. So for fire you have to take sunlight. You will get fire from the sun. So morning before 9:30 you take 30 minutes of sunlight, and evening 30 minutes after 4:30. And if you go out for the sunlight, then you will get sky element also, and then the air element. For the air element you do some breathing exercise like Kapalabhati and Anuloma Viloma. And fourth one is earth element. For earth element you have to walk without sandal, shoes, chappal. So then only you will get earth element, because your skin has to be touched with the earth. So you will receive earth element from the earth. And there are lots of acupressure points under your feet, energy points, all get stimulation. And for water element you have to drink 8 glasses of water. If you do these things, this 5 elements will become in balance. And you have to cut down some of the foods like carbohydrates. You eat 100 grams only in a day. That also you eat morning breakfast, and lunch. For lunch you eat only salads, and evening you can eat before 6 o'clock dinner. But lunch you eat salads, because if you eat 3 meals, the body don't get sufficient time to eliminate all the blood sugar. So if you eat one in the morning and again in the morning and again in the evening, so in between body get 8 to 9 hours of time to eliminate all the blood sugar. And so this really works for diabetic patient actually. And night time don't eat fruits. And if you have habit of drinking milk and fruit juice, so eat fruits, this much of fruits, 1 handful of fruits you can eat. And milk, if you are taking milk, put turmeric and drink. And whenever you take a meal, morning and evening meal, with that you put some turmeric powder, 1 spoon of turmeric powder and 1 spoon of fenugreek powder. Okay, this really works for the diabetic. And avoid bananas, potatoes and tapioca like that. And don't eat too much sweety fruits. And please do not mix the dal, spend pulses, lentils along with roti and rice. If you want to eat pulses and lentils, sprout them, eat separately, don't mix with rice and wheat. This also increase your blood sugar if you mix and eat. Rice and wheat goes along with vegetables, that's really good. And in vegetables you eat most of them raw, that really works. And if you cannot eat raw, just slightly cooked, okay. And always try to eat always ivy gourd and bitter gourd. It's really good for diabetic. And eat one gooseberry also, amla. This also very good, one in a day. And do not stop your urine and stool whenever you want to pass. Within 5 minutes you must pass urine and stool, so that body get sufficient time to remove all the toxins through your urine and stool. And do not stop sweat, like putting AC and fan. Do not bath while you are sweating. Let the sweat just go out from your body, and afterwards you do bath. You take a bath, because sweat is what the blood is. The brain is removing blood sugar and cholesterol directly from your body. That is sweating. If you put AC and fan on, then the sweat remains in your body. So actually we are making harm to our body. And do some exercises, yoga, or yoga is one of the best, or any other exercise, no problem. Just for half an hour, 1 hour, just make sweat to your body. And if you are drinking milk, put turmeric powder in 1 spoon in that, and then you drink. Otherwise it gives bad effects to you. And avoid coconut, onions, like that, because this coconut milk is very sweet. It increase your blood sugar level. Okay guys, and these are the pressure points for the diabetic. This portion is totally the stomach area. Okay, see this. So just press 50 times morning and evening slowly. If you are pressing first time, you will feel pain there. So just do it slightly press. Don't give too much of pain. Okay, in both hands you can do that 50 times morning and evening, so that with this pressure, the inner organs like liver, heart, small intestine, large intestine, all get stimulated, and they will boost your energy. Your inner organs, your digestive system will work 100% perfectly. Okay guys, try this, and don't worry about diabetic. Don't feel that I am a diabetic patient. Just remove this from your mind, and feel that you are energetic, you have no disease at all. Okay guys, try this, and thank you for watching. See you another day with another video. Thank you for watching. Please watch, share and subscribe. Till then, have a great day. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.